Hello, if you are running Facebook lead ad campaigns and you're looking for a simple way to send a WhatsApp message to your leads without having to configure the whole complicated WhatsApp API, then this video is just for you. So I'll show you how you can send a WhatsApp message to your lead right after they filled out their Facebook lead ads form. For this, we're going to be using this tool called Notifier by WhatsAble. Okay, WhatsAble is a tool that basically has their own bots that let you send messages on your business's behalf. So for example, I've just put WhatsAble here, but this is how a lead would receive the message. They would get like an update from, and then your business name, and then here any text you want to include in the WhatsApp message. If the lead then wants to talk to you, they can press on contact us, and then that would go and open a conversation with your personal WhatsApp. Now, there's a few other really cool things about it. One of them is analytics, because you can now also see which leads open the message and even download the list of specific leads who opened the message, who read it. You can also see all the people who pressed on the reply button here or the contact us. You can also see an exact list with all the phone numbers of all the people who've pressed on that button, even though they might not have written to you, but it expresses they had some interest. As well as people who reply to the bot, and watch out because they also have a bot functionality, so you can create custom AI bots on this system. I'll make another video about that. And what's also great for sales teams is that you can search for a specific phone number and see the status. So say there's a hot lead, they were interested in an important property and they haven't replied. You can see if they read the message, just put the phone number here and it will give you the status, if it was delivered, if it was read, or if it didn't come through. So that's pretty exciting. I'll show you how to configure it with Zapier, and then we'll go and jump into Make in a separate video in case you use make.com. So here what we'll do is we have a Facebook lead ads. You're probably familiar with this. You use as a trigger event the new lead. You've configured it with your page. You've tested it. It's important that you have at least here one dummy record. Zapier already provides one of those. And then for this step, we're going to have to go and use the app called Notifier. Notifier. Okay, if you just search for this now here, you won't find it. You need to go and create an account on notifier.whatsable.app. Fill out your business information. I just put WhatsAble here as an example. This information is the one that will appear on this part of the message, as well as the reply number, like the number that people will reply when they press on contact us. And then after that, you can go and get the API key. You can try it for free for 2 people and press on add to Zapier. If you press here add to Zapier, you will have to scroll down and press on accept invite and build a Zap. This will add the notifier option to your Zapier account. And then basically when you're here, you just search for the word notifier and you will find it. Just quick on the pricing of this, is pretty fair pricing. You can message up to 500 different people for $49 a month, or if you just have less than 100 leads a month for $29 a month, you can message them. And you can also buy non-subscription options. So if you just want to send one WhatsApp message to people to confirm after they fill out a form, you can buy like a prepaid plan. Again, they don't expire. You can use those credits anytime. So that's pretty convenient. And now let's go back to Zapier. We're going to set it up. So you choose as the event, send WhatsApp message, okay? And then we're gonna continue here. You choose the phone number here. You're gonna put the phone number of your lead. In this case, we're gonna go and get the raw phone. Then you can put here any text you wanna send to the lead, like, hi, let's just delete this, hi, thank you for your, I've put this, like, hi, thank you for interest in the property. Imagine you're a real estate company. Would you like to talk to an advisor now? So then they would get a message saying, hey, update from, imagine like SalesMax. And then it would say, hey, Axel, or whatever you've put here, thank you for your interest in the property. Would you like to talk to an advisor now? And then if they press on contact us, that opens a conversation with you. Now, if they just reply like yes here, then they will get a message from the bot saying, hey, to talk with us, you need to contact this phone number. I'm testing the bot feature now, so it's not gonna happen. All right, now another cool add-on that I recommend is, especially for high-ticket sales, is not only sending a WhatsApp message to your lead, but also sending a WhatsApp message to people in your sales team. For that, there's another module called WhatsAble. And here you can choose, again, it's pretty much the same thing, except that you can send unlimited messages to people in your team to keep them updated. So if you could have you want all the Facebook leads coming from a specific ad to go to a salesperson, you would choose this phone number, and then you can pass all the lead information to your salesperson, like the name, email, all that stuff could be passed here. You could say new lead, and then the person will receive a message with that. I'll show you how I use it in my case. So every time someone signs up, I get, I have a marketplace. Every time there's a casting posted in the marketplace, I see all that information coming through to my WhatsApp, so I'm aware of everything that's happening in my business. And oh, here we see, I'm using the bot feature, so I say yes, and then the bot already replied here with some information. So that's pretty much how you can automate the WhatsApp messages without a big setup. The only caveat here is, again, you have to send it through this bot, because that's why you don't have to do the setup, it's done for you. But I've tested it in both branded and non-branded accounts, and it works the same way. You're getting the same results in terms of sales and contacting to leads. So highly recommend this. And if you are using Make instead of Zapier to automate your business, then you can also do the same process using Make. So we're gonna go, and as a first step, we do Facebook lead ads. Again, you probably are familiar with this. You have to kind of connect your business, your account, and choose kind of which page the ads are for, which form, all that stuff. I've already done this. And then the next step is you have to search for the word Notifier. But Notifier is also a private app on make.com. So after you go to API keys, then you copy the API key, and you will see this button that says add to make.com. You press here, and then you choose for which organization in case you have multiple. Press on install. And then you have to check these boxes. Again, this is not working for me because I already added the app, but otherwise you would have to press on this checkbox here and then press on this install button here. All right, once you do this, you will be able to see the Notifier app on your Make dashboard. And then you can go ahead and fill out the information that you want to send to the message. Like you would put here the phone number of the lead, which you can get from here, and then you can put any text you want to send to the lead here. That's the text that will come on the message. Like basically this is the part that's gonna come to the lead. Same here, this is just one line, or the text here, that's again all the text you want to customize and send. It's customized on Make itself. And then if you want to attach an image, a video, or a PDF, you would just simply put a link to a publicly accessible URL right there. So that could be a Google Drive, a Dropbox, whatever, and you just put the link to that file here, and it will send the message. And again, if you want to send a WhatsApp message to someone in your team or to yourself, right after the lead comes in, then you can use the other module called WhatsAble, and this is more for internal messaging. So here you would choose the phone number of the salesperson, and then you can put a new lead came in. And then you can put the information like their name, their phone number, their email, and what type of thing they're interested in. And that way, as soon as a salesperson or you are available, you can send them a WhatsApp message because you get all the information. I'll show you how I use it. You get all the information from things that are happening in your business right here, and you can go and contact those people. So this is a great setup to not miss any lead. First, send them an automated message so the lead can reach out to you. And at the same time, send a WhatsApp message to someone in your team to let them know about this new lead so that they can go and take some action on that. And again, when you send a WhatsApp message to people in your team and it goes on a WhatsApp, it's more likely to get seen and be taken action than if you send a Slack or something else. So that's how it works. If you need help automating these, creating things like this, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you and have a great day.